Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Today I have this TRONIC USB charging hub, enables parallel charging of up to 5 devices with power delivery 30 watts for compatible devices and 3 years warranty. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and charge my devices. The power cord, it is 1.5 meters. You can plug it in here. And included we have the manual and the base. It is available and on a black color. You can have it at your office at this position. Lightweight, with a sleek design for easy storage and portability, make it great for travel or desk use. Provides 5 USB ports, enabling you to charge multiple devices at once. 2 USB-C with an output 18 watts each, and another 3 USB-A with an output 12 watts each. Total it can provide 30 watts. And here we have the information for each port. I like it. Compact design, very small, works with a wide range of USB powered devices including smartphones, tablet, smartwatches, power banks, Bluetooth headphones and other accessories. Let's plug it in first. We don't have any LED indicator to indicate if it has power. Let's test my Samsung Galaxy S21 Fan Edition. The Type-C ports on green color. Fast charging 15%, and we need 1 hour and 10 minutes until it will fully charge my smartphone. Let's connect then my iPhone, Type-C. Recalculating the Samsung, because I have connected another smartphone at the second Type-C port. So now I need 2 hours and 8 minutes until fully charged. Let's connect another device, power bank from the Type A. It's charging. Second power bank. So many devices. It's charging. The time is the same for my Samsung. And another device, third power bank, is charging. Right now, connected, we have 5 devices. How cool is that? I love it. From one charger. Now if you connect at the USB-A ports other devices, it will not bother the devices that are connected on the Type-C ports. So that was the TRONIC USB charging station with its multiple USB ports, compact design and efficient charging capabilities. It's the perfect tool to keep all your devices powered and organize it. Whether at your desk, bedside or on the go, this hub ensures you are always charged and ready. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tech reviews, smart solutions and gadget guides. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay powered, stay efficient, and I'll see you in the next video.